Hello, it's Mike from Vitreus Art. I'd like to introduce my new copper foil taster workshop. This is a shorter workshop than the full one-day copper foiling workshop. The projects are simpler, but I think in a half day, so it's probably about 3 to 3.5 hours, I think you'll have time to make at least one flower, possibly two, maybe one more complex one and one simpler one. And you'll learn the basics of copper foiling. So that's cutting the glass using the grinder, wrapping the pieces of glass in the copper foil, soldering them together, creating your piece with the stem, all of that. And you'll take your piece home. So you get to actually make something on the day and take it home on the day. And it'll be a really nice introduction to copper foiling. And then if you find actually, yeah, you really like that, and I'm confident you will, but if you really like that, then we have other more complex copper foiling workshops where you'll learn quite a lot more, get under the bonnet of that technique. It's a really nice technique for making 3D pieces particularly, which is one of the things I really enjoy. So you'll see that all of these flowers, they're not flat, they've all got angles to them, so they're all a bit interesting. And I really hope that I can sow a bit of a seed on this workshop, because where we got started was copper foiling, and we love making 3D copper foil pieces, and we hope that we can inspire you to feel the same way. So if you like the look of this workshop, sign up. We have dates throughout the year. I've got other project ideas to introduce as well, so keep an eye on that too. Hope you enjoy the workshop. See you soon. Bye.